how to turn off Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely disable the Xbox Game Bar on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So this will stop it from popping up while you're playing games, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, go down to your taskbar and just select the Windows Start button. From there, just start typing PowerShell and you'll see Windows PowerShell come up. Right-click that and select Run as Administrator. Once you do that, you'll get a window that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. This is a default Windows app and it just needs to make changes so that we can disable the Xbox Game Bar. Now that PowerShell is open, we need to type one line of text and check the description. I'll have it down there. And this line of text will remove the Xbox Game Bar from our computer. But don't worry, I'll show you how to reinstall it if you ever want it again. So follow the capitalization, everything exactly the same way I do. So type Get-AppxPackage space Microsoft.XboxGamingOverlay space horizontal line space Remove-AppxPackage and hit enter. Once you do that, it'll say initialized. Again, check the description for that exact line of text. You just copy and paste it. And now if I hit the Windows button and G on my keyboard, it no longer opens up the Xbox Game Bar. If I ever want the Xbox Game Bar in the future, select the Windows button, open up the Microsoft Store, just search Xbox Game Bar, or check the link in the description. I'll have a direct link to it. And all you need to do is select Get, and it'll go ahead and reinstall the Xbox Game Bar on your computer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.